Started losing my hair at 28. I just Googled online and you came up right away. I saw the before and after pictures and you didn't get no result like this. This place is amazing, beautiful. Everything's one-on-one, you're the only one in the office. It's just an unbelievable experience. No scars, no full head of hair in 2 months. It was crazy. You don't even feel nothing when you're doing a transplant. You feel everything for a tattoo. My results speak for themselves. I wouldn't recommend no other doctor. That's it. To come right here as soon as possible.
What you see right now, it's two different person from before and now. I'm really happy with what's going on right now. Only at 4 months. It was something like, I don't know, magical. In a matter of like 2-3 months, my hair was growing. People are amazed when they see me. They're like, where's the old Nestor? I don't think you will find anywhere else to go if you don't come here. He is the man for this job. I just want to say, don't hold back. If you're losing your hair and you really want to be confident with yourself, come here and get yourself, get a procedure done, and you will be happy with what you're going to get.
Go out in public. I wanted to do the procedure because I wanted to regain confidence. Just made me more confident, higher self-esteem. I feel like I need more hair in the future. I'll definitely do it again. Dr. Bolton actually improved the other scar that I had. I totally recommend it. I enjoyed my experience, and I don't think it could go much better than it did. I'd say thank you. The results speak for themselves.
17 or 18, I noticed my hairline was receding. I came here because I saw his website. The technology here, guys, is so much more advanced. And I'm telling you, this is the most effective procedure I've ever done. You look in the mirror and your attitude changes. I'm more confident at work. I'm better in social life, meeting people. Beyond their friendly attitude, I consider it almost like a family here. With other procedures, I've spent 3 to 4 times more than what I've spent in one procedure here. I love you, man. Seriously, you changed my life.
Self-confidence. I stopped playing soccer. I stopped pursuing girls as much. I wanted to make a positive change. I wanted to look better than I felt. I wanted to feel better. I'm a lot happier about it. Nobody has noticed. I am the first guy in about 20 years that he actually approves of the result. I went to every website and Dr. Bolton's results were the best that I could find. Just thanks for all of the work. It really makes a big difference.